Same old Christmas decorations got you down. In this video, we're going to show you how to make this super cute, quick and easy Christmas pudding doorstop. To make your pudding doorstop, you will need the templates provided on our website. Cut yourself 8 pieces of brown felt for the pudding body, 6 pieces of white felt for the icing, and 2 pieces of green holly. You will also need 3 red pom-poms, some stuffing, and a bag of rice, pennies or sand to weigh your doorstop down. Start by taking your brown body pieces and divide them into 4 pairs. Using matching thread in your sewing machine, sew one of the long edges of each pair to join them together. Take one sewn pair and open it out. Now place another sewn pair on top of it, right sides together. Make sure your seams are on the outside. Now, making sure your seams are going in the opposite direction, lay them together and sew another single edge. Repeat that for your other 2 pairs. Now we have 2 halves of our pudding, we need to put them right sides together. The easiest way to do this is to turn one half with the seams on the inside and then lay the other half on top. All of the seams should be on the outside. This time you need to sew both edges, making sure that your seams are matched in the middle. Now the body of your pudding is complete. We just need to turn it to the right side. The top is left open to make sure there is lots of room for you to add the stuffing. If you are making a weighted doorstop, grab your weight and place it at the bottom of the pudding. Then you can start adding your stuffing. Stuff until you are happy with the shape and fullness of your pudding. Then put to one side and we'll start making the top. You'll need to sew the icing pieces together in the same way, except there are only 6. Divide them into 3 pairs and then sew one side on each pair. You may also wish to change your thread to white to match. Take 2 of the pairs and just like we did before, lay them right sides together. And then sew them on one of the long edges. Now open out your set of 4 and take your final pair and lay it on top. This is designed to curve around the top of the pudding, so they won't fit when you lay them flat. But if you match one side first and sew it, you'll then be able to pull the other side over and sew that too. Next, you need to add some shape to the lower edge of the icing. This will help it look more like gooey icing dripping down the pudding. Grab some scissors and then cut some curved lines along the bottom edge. Try not to cut too deep as this may expose the stuffing inside. Grab your pudding and place your icing on the top. Check if you have a nice fit. You can always add more stuffing if it needs more shape. Then either use some fabric glue around the edges to secure it in place, or grab yourself a needle and thread and then hand stitch at the base of each seam to anchor it in place. Now your icing is attached and your pudding is very nearly done. It just needs one final touch. Just hand sew or glue on your holly and berries to complete your pudding. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. If you like our pudding, we think you're going to really love our cactus pin cushion. Learn how to make it in our free online sewing class.